In the current landscape of 3D printing, we can see that we are going towards market consolidation. More and more companies are joining forces or teaming up just to go global faster. And we can also see this global adoption of technology thanks to the knowledge spread and to the adoption and the new arrival of automation and AI.
Additive manufacturing is witnessing several emerging trends. However, the one that excites me the most is an increased material diversity. We can clearly see that the range of materials suitable for 3D printing has been expanding significantly, which allows for broader applications across the industry.
We've seen many cool trends pop up in the world of 3D printing. First off, AI and machine learning are stepping in to make things more precise and efficient. Also, there's a big push towards eco-friendly with better recycling processes and materials that are kinder to our planet.
So the French market is very active and dynamic, but still very organized by regions, with a lot of startups and emerging concepts. I see the medical and aerospace industries growing, with more and more users adopting additive manufacturing, especially metal for aerospace and polymer for medical.
3D printing in Spain is moving towards industrialization. It is true that there are a lot of companies that are developing their own 3D printing technologies, but now with the rise of metal AM, we're seeing the real potential of these technologies in more advanced applications and applied to a lot of different industries.
Over the past year or so, we have seen quite a lot of turbulence. Even with that going on, we have still seen steady growth in both metal and polymer industrial level additive manufacturing, especially in markets like aerospace, where it's growing quite rapidly, and medical.
The DACH market strives for efficiency through innovation. The goal is to print faster, more cost-effectively, and with fewer resources. All the AM companies on the German, Swiss or Austrian market are aiming for greater scalability and more sustainable solutions.
Well, we can say that the Italian AM market is, from an industrial point of view, driven mainly by automotive and aerospace sectors, followed by oil and gas. AM is mainly used to produce functional prototypes, to repair or to redesign components and make them more efficient and sustainable, and to produce spare parts.
Today, 3D printing is increasingly used not only for everyday cars, but also for luxury cars and racing cars, such as Formula 1. Manufacturers are using 3D printing technologies for rapid prototyping, personalization, and part weight reduction. This improves efficiency, reduces costs, manufacturing times, and enables more complex design.
3D printing is bursting into art. It is opening endless creative possibilities. Artists are now experimenting with new materials and forms. They are sculpting from detailed miniatures to imposing structures. Works once only imagined, now they are coming to life thanks to this technology. I think that 3D printing is redefining the boundaries of creation.
So 3D printing makes it possible to use materials more efficiently by using only the amount required for the end product. And also it contributes to a circular economy by using recycled materials. And besides, 3D printing also enables a more localized production by reducing the amount of long transports of goods and thereby leading to a reduction of carbon emissions.
Efficiency.
Dynamic.
Avant-garde.
Innovative. Undeniable.
Futuristic.
Transformative.
Accessible.
Intelligent.
Evolving.
Surprising.